step into the Ford 2019 F-150 XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are STX appearance package included: fog lamps, driver passenger seat, back pocket sync, 3 enhanced voice recognition communications and entertainment system, 8 inches LCD touchscreen in center stack with swipe capability, app link, 911 assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and 2 smart charging USB ports, box side decals, rear window defroster, wheels, 20-inch machined aluminum flash gray painted pockets, manual driver passenger lumbar tires, P275/55 R20 BSW AS 245/70 R17 all-season spare tire, privacy glass body color, surround with black mesh insert, grille black mesh insert, body color, front and rear bumpers, body color, front fascia, engine 5.0 LV8 included, auto start stop technology and flex fuel